At Vest Roofing, we know that you have better things to do with your time than worrying over every detail of an insurance claim. With over 25 years' experience, we use our extensive experience in damage assessment and claims administration to give you a fair replacement cost. Then professionally contract and manage the process using quality materials and skilled workers. From the initial damage identification to reviewing insurance estimates, we work hard to ensure that the claims process is worry-free and risk-free for you. There's a difference between completing a task and getting it done right. As your agent, Vest Roofing oversees each aspect of the claims process for you. Our innate knowledge of the claims process and its unique requirements helps our customers get results time and time again. Vest Roofing's team has educated and assisted thousands of homeowners just like you. We've successfully managed storm drain damage claims with every major insurance company. As your claims partner, Vest Roofing uses its knowledge of the process to help track, manage, and facilitate a satisfactory outcome. We succeed when you succeed. We guarantee our work with extended warranties available. We're licensed, bonded, and insured. Call today. We look forward to hearing from you.